Dingangisano tseno di tshwarwa ka nako e Eskom e diragatsang kgaogo e rulagantsweng ya motlakase e tla tswelelang go fitlha mo bekeng e tlang. IFP e etleditseng dingangisano ya re setlamo seno sa motlakase se fetogile matlhabisa ditlhong a bosetšhaba le a boditšhabatšhaba ga e sale go tloga ka 2007.
Eskom has become a curse word in every household in our country. Why? Because this entity is unable to deliver on its fundamental mandate, which is to generate enough energy to power our national grid.
Makoko mangwe a latofaditswe puso ka go goga dinao mo go rarabololeng dikgwetlho tse di lebaneng Eskom.
3-month outlook indicates a rough road ahead with a high risk of load shedding. And yet this government appears to be in complete denial of the urgency and seriousness of the electricity crisis.
We want under the radar to go. We will not continue to stand by and watch the collapse and looting of public strategic assets.
The ANC can destroy and does destroy everything they touch. But there's one thing the ANC will never ever destroy, and that's the abundance of potential in this country. It's the abundance of potential that South Africans does possess. You will never be able to destroy that, and that is the hope for the future.
ANC e sireleditse puso ka gore go na le kgatelopele malebana le go imolola setlamo seno sa bosetšhaba sa tlamelo ya motlakase.
There's progress in many facets of Eskom, although the process of correction as well as restructuring to ensure that load shedding can be eradicated and the economy can grow to create jobs is prolonged. It is in the national interest that Eskom must be fixed and restructured to ensure that there is sufficient power.
Mo tsibogong ya gagwe tona ya ditlamo tsa puso a re puso e mo tseleng ya go siamisa setlamo seno fela go tla tsaya nako.
Is Eskom broken or dysfunctional? Eskom is not broken. It is not dysfunctional, but it does have a crisis and it does have a series of challenges, and as we said, it will take time to resolve some of them. And in particular, if we are able to acquire 4,000 to 6,000 megawatts additional energy for Eskom, then we create the space for the kind of maintenance that actually needs to occur.
Tona o konoseditse ka gore Eskom e tla bo e le mo selebogong se se farologaneng le sa ga jaana dingwaga di le 10 go tloga fano.